Hello and welcome to Show Builder Tutorials. Today we're going to begin with the basics. Upon logging in, you will initially be brought to your My Productions page, which you can see here. This page will list all of the productions that you have either created or been invited to join. You can consider this your home base, and it will easily allow you to navigate between shows. Now, if you look up here, there are a few action icons that you will see throughout Show Builder. The first here is the Add button. This simply allows you to create a new production. Next to that, here is then the Export to Excel button. By clicking here, you will automatically send whatever information you have currently in the grid system on your page directly to Excel. This will come in extremely handy for a variety of reasons. Whether you need to create a comprehensive list of your current productions or simply need a way to create a contact list for your show, Export to Excel will easily transfer that data for you. Next here, you can see a search bar. This will come in handy as you begin to add more and more productions in your database. Now, all you have to do is click here and type in a keyword, and it will list all of the matches here below. Now, I would like to draw your attention to this column right here, Toggle Archive. This allows you to separate out shows which you are no longer actively working on and no longer need regular access to. I will touch on that again in our next video where we will cover the current production page. However, for the purposes of this video, you can see that by clicking here, you now have a check mark here in the archive column saying you have archived this production. Lastly, I'd like to draw your attention to this icon here. This is the Edit button. By clicking here, you will open up that specific production and have access to all of the pages and information pertaining to it. Now, that should give you a basic understanding of the My Productions page. Please check out the rest of our videos for more in-depth tutorials on other pages and features of Show Builder. We hope this was a useful video for you, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email. Thanks for stopping by, and break a leg.